Let's get learning with Santino.
Hi everyone, I'm Santino and today we are going to be learning all about 10 frames. We are going to talk about what is a 10 frame and how can we use 10 frames to help us with our counting and with our numbers. So, let's get learning! First of all, what is a 10 frame? Well, I have a 10 frame right here and it is actually a maths tool. Maybe you've used tools before to help you with things. For example, perhaps some gardening tools to help you outside with your plants. Maybe you've used some tools to help you with fixing things. Well, a 10 frame is also a tool. It's a maths tool that helps us with our numbers and counting. Now, my 10 frame is empty right now, but we call it a 10 frame because there are 10 spaces. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, as you can see, the 10 frame has 5 spaces on the top row and 5 spaces on the bottom row. And it's important to remember that because that's how 10 frames can help us to count quickly. So now that we've seen our 10 frame, it's time to start filling it with some counters. Now, when we're filling our 10 frame, it's important that we always start filling it from the top left and then we go across this way, just like when we're reading, left to right. As I place the counters on, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many is this 10 frame showing? It's showing 5. Now we know that because the top row is completely full, and when we have one full row, we know that that's going to be 5 without even counting. Let's keep on going by filling in some more of our 10 frames. We've got 5 already. What comes after 5? 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. When the 10 frame is full, we know that it shows the number 10. Now we can show lots of different numbers using our 10 frame and counters. And I'm going to take all of these off very quickly and then show you another number on the 10 frame. And I wonder if you can tell me what number I'm showing. What number is this 10 frame showing? Did you say 4? Well done, there are 4. Maybe you counted them and that's how you saw it, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or perhaps you just saw the number 4 straight away. You could see the 4 dots. Another way you might have noticed that there were 4 is that we know that a full row would be 5, but there's one less. And 1 less than 5 is 4. So that's another way you could use our 10 frame. Let's practice some more. And now I have another 10 frame here. What number is this 10 frame showing? Show me with your fingers. Are you holding up 2 fingers? That's right. 1, 2. How about this next one? How many on this 10 frame? I can see that the whole top row is full. And a full top row means that this 10 frame shows 5. Well done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try another one. Well, what number is this 10 frame showing? Hold up your fingers. Did you say 7? Let's check if you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maybe you counted them one by one, or maybe you remembered that the top row has 5 and then we have 2 more. So 5, 6, 7. Well done. Let's try one more. This 10 frame is full. Show me your fingers. How many does this 10 frame show? Did you say 10? Well done. The 10 frame is full, so it shows 10. Let's count them to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done. Well, now that we know how to recognize numbers on a 10 frame, it's time to make some numbers using counters on our 10 frame. So here I have my empty 10 frame again, and I've got some counters here. I'm going to pick some up, and I want you to tell me how many I have in my hand. How many did I get? 3. Maybe you saw that straight away. Well done. Well, now I'm going to place my counters one by one on the 10 frame, remembering going left to right. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic, I've shown 3 on my 10 frame. Let's try another number. All right, let's see. I'm going to get a bigger number this time, I think. There they are. And I wonder how many there are. It's a bit trickier to see that just by looking because it's a bigger number. Let's place them on the 10 frame and see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many on my 10 frame? There are 9. Now it's much easier to see that this is 9 when it's placed on the 10 frame. Can you see how it's a really useful maths tool? Alright, let's try one more number. Alright, I wonder how many I'm going to pick this time. Alright, I've got them here. There they are. I wonder how many there are. Let's use the 10 frame to help us. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This 10 frame is showing the number 6. Well, now it's your turn to practice showing numbers on a 10 frame. For this activity, you'll need a 10 frame and of course 10 counters. Remember when you're using your 10 frame to count carefully and slowly to make sure that you count the correct number. If you need more practice, maybe you could start by picking from 5 counters. If you want a challenge, then maybe you could pick your number from 20 counters. But of course, you're going to need 2 10 frames to show those bigger numbers. Happy learning, everyone, and see you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. There's lots more to see. Come back again soon for more learning with me.